If your Panasonic microwave keeps making annoying beep sound, this quick guide will help you. Today I will show you how to turn off the beep sound on a Panasonic microwave easily. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe for more simple home appliance tutorial every day. Many Panasonic microwave models include hidden sound setting that most users never notice at first. First, make sure your Panasonic microwave is plugged in and powered on correctly. Stand near the microwave so you can clearly see the control panel and display screen. Some Panasonic microwave models use button combination to disable the keypad sound feature completely. Start by pressing the stop reset button on the microwave control panel carefully once. Next, try pressing and holding the start button for a few seconds continuously. On many Panasonic models, this opens the sound settings or silent mode option menu. If successful, the microwave display may show sound off or beep disable notification text. Once activated, the keypad button should stop making loud beeping sound during normal use. Test the microwave keypad by pressing a few buttons to confirm the sound is muted. You should now notice the microwave operates much more quietly than before during cooking. Try hitting something quickly to make sure the microwave still works correctly after changing settings. Most Panasonic microwaves continue cooking normally even when the keypad sound gets disabled completely. If your microwave model does not respond, check the user manual for exact instruction carefully. Different Panasonic microwave models sometimes use slightly different button combination for silent mode activation. You can also search your exact Panasonic microwave model for more detailed sound setting information. Some models allow you to switch between sound on and off very easily anytime. Turning off the beep sound is especially useful during late night cooking or early mornings. This feature helps avoid disturbing family members while using the microwave quietly at home. Once muted, your microwave timer may also finish silently depending on the appliance model. If you ever want the sound back, repeat the same button steps again carefully. Most Panasonic microwaves let users toggle between silent mode and normal sound mode quickly. After changing settings, restart the microwave once if the sound still continues unexpectedly sometimes. The microwave sound returned to normal operation while keeping the keypad sound muted successfully. Now you can enjoy a quieter kitchen experience without constant microwave beep interruption daily. This simple settings only takes a few moments but makes a surprisingly big difference at home. And that's how to turn off the beep sound on a Panasonic microwave easily today.